Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're looking at the best Beetles Builder Gel Kit, a must-have for anyone passionate about nail care and art. If you're someone who enjoys doing your nails at home, then you're in for a treat with this gel set, which has been widely praised for its versatility and long-lasting results. The Beetles Builder Gel Kit comes with everything you need for a flawless manicure. It includes a 15 ml top coat, base coat, and builder gel, offering you the perfect combination for long-lasting, chip-free nails. One of the standout features of this kit is its ability to last for over 4 weeks, making it ideal for those who want salon-quality nails without the frequent touch-ups. Whether you're working with natural nails, acrylics, or gel extensions, this product is compatible with all types of nail setups, giving you flexibility and convenience. Application is simple and smooth. The Builder Gel has a self-leveling property, making it easier to sculpt your nails just the way you want them. You won't have to worry about it running or being difficult to handle. Plus, it's a lighter alternative to acrylic gels, meaning it's less heavy on your nails but still strong and durable. You can easily build an apex or extend your nails, creating beautiful, perfectly shaped nails without the odor or excess dust usually associated with other types of nail products. One of the best parts of this set is the no-wipe top coat. This ensures your nails remain shiny and smooth after curing, while the base coat helps your polish adhere better, ensuring that your nails last even longer. The top coat has a flexible texture that resists nicks, chips, and smudges, so you won't have to worry about your nails losing their shine or getting damaged during everyday activities. The Beetles Builder Gel Kit is designed with ease of use in mind. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals, offering a hassle-free experience. You simply apply the base coat, build up your nails with the Builder Gel, and finish with the top coat. After curing under a UV or LED lamp, you'll have beautifully shiny and strong nails that are ready for anything. If you're looking for a nail kit that offers both quality and durability, the Beetles Builder Gel Kit is an excellent choice. With its long-lasting formula and smooth application, it provides everything you need to create stunning nails in the comfort of your home. For anyone who loves doing their nails, this product is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and be sure to check out the Beetles Builder Gel Kit for your next at-home manicure.